This is Rudy King here at the Northeast Showcase here at John Jay College. It was a great event, nice turnout. I think that a lot of the young men that came here learned a lot about themselves. We pushed them to the limit. I think that the organizers, Dre, Eugene, did a really good job. I want to give a big shout out to Matt. He really worked hard. My guy Howie and MJ and Mike, everybody put a lot of hard work into this. You know, we've been building up to this day, and I think that we really got a good thing out of it. At the end of the day, we had college coaches in the gym. We had a chance to talk some positive information to the prospects, and I think that these guys, with their response and as hard as they played, got something great out of this. We really appreciate the opportunity. NYC Basketball doing the coverage. Rudy King, I'm out.